Carl Schofield. I have been a commercial freelance photographer for over 35 years here in this wonderful town of Breckenridge, Colorado. Well, we're here at Grand Lodge on Peak 8. This is one of the newest projects of Grand Vacations, which has been a big client of mine for 30 years almost.
I am Mike Dudick. I am the CEO and owner of Breckenridge Grand Vacations. We set out and we started building this one to build what I want to say is the nicest ski lodge in Colorado.
Very, very contemporary. It's what is known and what's the buzzword and everything around here is mountain modern.
I think that my interior design team and architectural team cringe every time I go on a trip because I come back with 5 new ideas.
I walked in and I loved the design, and I looked around the wall and I was kind of like, I guess these are placeholder pieces of art. Something like that. You know, I was sort of like, didn't feel that this was quite bringing to the table what everything else was. And I photoshopped some of my artwork onto the walls and took it to them.
My name is Tim Emerson, and I'm the owner of Duraplaque here in Colorado. And we are a fine art printing company, manufacturing company. We work with fine art photographers. When we first came into it, probably 5% of our business was ChromaLuxe. Within 3-4 years, we're almost up to 80% being ChromaLuxe panels. And so that's something that people can take to the bank in a sense of this is becoming part of the art industry and the design industry and signage industry. This whole project came through where the owner of this development was talking to Carl. Carl said what he could do, what the value of what his pictures could do.
And so I knew immediately when we started developing this that ChromaLuxe products were the only way to go.
Carl contacted us and we built, from his images he sent us, we took all those, put them on metal exactly how he asked. Fine art photographers want the best quality all the way through the process. So having ChromaLuxe products where it has that higher end, that adds quality to these photographers' names because they want their name attached to something that is premium.
I didn't know what ChromaLuxe was and how it would turn out, but we couldn't be happier with the way that the finished product looks. From an artistic standpoint and a presentation standpoint, it's a home run.
This phase that I'm stepping into now with this product, I'm excited. I see all kinds of new potential. It's just exactly the way to go.
With having ChromaLuxe products on the wall up there, really what it did is it gave that condo development a value for their end customers, the look. And so that's something that people can take to the bank in a sense of this is becoming part of the art industry and the design industry and signage industry.
It's the next level, it's the new place, and you've got to try it, and it'll bring a whole new idea of what your potential is.